Okay, so welcome. And so today it's going to be the cube root function. So we're going to talk about the cube root function today. And again, it's a short video. Things that you need to know for the basic function. So this is another basic function that we're going to need to know to put in our toolbox. So the cube root function, of course, is going to be of the form of cube root, right? So the cube root of x, okay? So just like with the square root of x, we're going to be dealing with the cube root of x. Now the thing is with cube roots, remember back with odd roots, when we talked about odd roots, functions that have odd roots, there's no restrictions on the domain and the range, unlike even rooted functions, okay? So in this case here, we're going to see also look that it does this. So it's sort of like the cubing function, right? But it's rotated 90 degrees. So the cubing function came down here and did this, went through the origin and went down. Okay, so the cube root function is sort of like a rotation, not quite, but it's like rotated 90 degrees and then flipped. Okay, so, but it looks very much like a cubing function on the side. So in the cube root function, notice that over here with the characteristics, what do we have? We've got the domain is all real numbers, right? There's no restricted values on x. Like we can put anything under the cube root. We're okay there. So, and then of course the range is also all real numbers because this will continue to go off slowly, off to positive infinity. This will go off down to negative infinity in the y direction. So the range is all real numbers. And again, looking at whether it's decreasing, increasing, and constant, obviously if we're going left to right, it's continuing to increase, it curves up, and then at 0, 0 goes through the origin, and then and that's where it changes direction, it starts to curve down, but it's still going up. So this is increasing on the entire number line. So it's increasing for the entire domain, okay? And then of course it's continuous because you can obviously sketch this graph without lifting your pencil off the paper, okay? And so it's continuous everywhere as well, okay? And so again, similar characteristics that we saw before, okay? It goes through the origin, and it goes through the points -1, -1, and 1, 1, and then it goes through 8, 2, and -8, -2, okay? And that's it. That's the cube root function. Okay? And again, just make sure you know these characteristics. They're going to be important. Okay? And that's it. Till next time, have a great day.